this exercise we will learn how to create surface from DEM files in Civil 3D, and we will also set coordinate system for these DEM files. To start a new drawing from AutoCAD Civil 3D Matrix or Imperial, you can open any new drawing in your Civil 3D. Then switch to the setting tab first and right click on the drawing name and go to the edit setting, drawing settings. Okay, the drawing setting dialog box will appear. We must need to set the zone here, which is USA North Carolina. We will set like the previous exercise. So here we have USA North Carolina, and it should be coordinate system should be NAD 83 North Carolina state plans meter. Then press OK. The coordinate system of the DEM files that we will import will be adjusted to coordinate system of the drawing. From the home tab, create ground data panel. Here we have surface and go to the create surface. Okay, the create surface dialog box appear. If a drawing coordinate system information was not necessary, create surface from DEM would be a quicker method for creating this surface. However, create surface from DEM produce a grid surface which cannot be adjusted. So accept these options in the dialog box and click OK to create a surface. This surface is added as a surface 1 under the prospector surfaces tree. Here you can see in the prospector in the prospector expand the surfaces 1 and then definition. Then we have DEM files and right click to the DEM file and select add. When you will click the add, it will open the add DEM files dialog box. Use the button to the right of the DEM files here area to navigate your this DEM file, which I will put in the description link. You can download and you can use in this exercise. So when you will open your DEM files, it will populate the coordinate system for this file. In the add DEM file dialog box, click in the value column. Here we have next to the CS code, and it will show you 3 ellipses. When you will click here, it will show select coordinate zone for the DEM file. So here we need to select the zone for this DEM file, which is UTM. Go down, and here we have UTM NAD 27.m, and down here we also select coordinate system, which is NAD 27 zone 18 meter central meridian 75 D west, and then click OK. This information is necessary to properly translate the DEM coordinate system to the drawing coordinate system. Now just click OK to close the dialog box. You may receive a message regarding the level of detail which we will discuss in the next exercise. So now our DEM file has been imported and our surface has been created, but you can't see your surface is here. What we can do here, in the prospector, right click to the surface and select zoom 2. So here we have our surface. Select the surface from the, and now you can see here we have surface properties. Just go to the surface properties, and here you can see we have just name as surface 1. The surfaces property dialog box have many tabs. We will work in the information tab, and we will put the name for this surface, which is Camden Point NC, and we will also select the surface style, which should be contours and triangles, and then click OK. Once you have the DEM data imported, you can pause over any portion of the surface and see the feedback showing the surface elevation is provided through a tooltip. This surface can be used for preliminary analysis, but it is not accurate enough for the construction purposes. So we can't work with this view. That's why we will also know about the level of detail in the next exercise, that how can we activate our level of details to work properly in these surfaces in Civil 3D. Stay connected for the next